In Mathcad Prime, you can create contour plots. A contour plot is a plot of a function in two variables. The two variables will be plotted on the horizontal and the vertical axes. And so in the contour plot, the value of the function is plotted in different bands of colors or different contours of colors in order to show the value or the intensity. And to create a contour plot, you can do that from the Plots tab and the Insert Plot command. It is also the keyboard shortcut Control 5. Let me create a contour plot. So I click on the command. In a previous video on 3D surfaces and 3D plots, I plotted a hyperbolic paraboloid. Here you can see the equation for it. And so to plot that in a contour plot, you're going to enter the name of the function in the placeholder. And so in the placeholder for the z-axis, let me type in h for the name of the function. There's also a units placeholder if necessary. Now I will click on the outside, and here we can see the color values for this function and the x and the y values. And of course, you can edit the values on the x and the y axes. Here we can see what the function colors correspond to. And let me select this contour plot. By default, it is using a rainbow color scheme, but you could choose some of the other different options like a grayscale color scheme, or gamma, or topographical, or blue, or different shades of red, or different shades of green. But I like rainbow, so let's go back to that one. And so let's take a look at a couple other different examples from that video on 3D plots. Here we have the function for a monkey saddle. Let me click on my worksheet for where I want to place the contour plot. Then I'll go to the drop-down list and choose it. And this one is the variable m, so let me type in that in the placeholder and then click outside. And so this is what the monkey saddle looks like in a contour form. Here is the function for the mean curvature of that monkey saddle. Well, let's click and put another contour plot in here. And then in the placeholder, I will enter in the function name c and then click outside. And so that is the mean curvature. Let me just grab this and move it up a little bit. And that way we have them side by side. And so there you have it. That is how you can create contour plots in Mathcad Prime.